Hey y'all, today I'm going to be sharing what I purchased at Goodwill for just $1. Goodwill Dollar Day was this Monday and purple tags were just $1. So I bought all this stuff here for my reselling business. I'm going to take pictures and put these things up for sale on eBay, Poshmark, and MERCARI. The only thing I did not pay $1 for was what you saw on my thumbnail, what's on top of this pile. And I'm super excited to share that item with you. I've been on the lookout for it for a while. Before we get into the haul, I just want to remind you that all of my Goodwill Dollar Day videos that I post on Thursdays are collabs with my girlfriend Tanya, who is Double T's Treasures here on YouTube. She's also going to be uploading a Goodwill Dollar Day haul, so I'm gonna link her video down below in the description box. Y'all make sure to go over there, check out Tanya's video. If you came over from Tanya's channel, hey, what's up? My name's Alicia. I'm a reseller and I love to put out content here on YouTube all about what I'm doing in my reselling business, what I'm picking up, unboxing mystery boxes, what sold videos. You can find that all here on my channel. Hopefully you will subscribe if you enjoy this content, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Okay, let's go ahead. I want to show you what I got. So Bolo brand, if you are unfamiliar with pajamas, reselling pajamas, this is a brand you want to look out for. I'm always looking out for it, but I never ever can find a full set. I usually can find a shirt, or I can find the pants, and those can still sell well, but the sets is what you want to look for. So this is Nick and Nora, and they just make really fun pajama sets, and this may not look like anything to you guys, just a pair of a button-down pajama top and a pair of pants. I did pay full price for these, which the employees at my Goodwill did not know how much pajamas were. I brought them to the front and I told them that I didn't see the sign up for pajamas at this Goodwill for whatever reason. They didn't have a sign, so I didn't know how much a set was. And the two cashiers at my Goodwill were going back and forth with what they thought the price was. They settled on $4.99. I'm going to list these for $50, and if you think I'm just shooting for the stars, I'll post some screenshots of some eBay sold listings that are just like these. These are a size large. Have not gotten them in front of my ring light yet. I am going to wash them probably, make sure there's no stains, and yeah, I was super excited. If you find any Nick and Nora two-piece sets, I would pick them up. I've had luck even selling the pants or a shirt, just one single item for $20 to $25, but the sets get you a lot more money, as you can see. Okay, everything else is going to be $1, and this is a new to me brand, purple tag. Let me know down below if you guys have ever sold this. I've never heard of this brand before, and I'm glad I looked it up. Emily Sue is, I believe, how you pronounce this. It is a size small leggings. They're black with the gold chain and some, I guess they're roses, red roses. So I looked up Emily Sue pre-owned leggings, and I was pretty pleasantly surprised with the comps. I'm hoping I can get around maybe $30 for these. So yeah, new to me brand, Emily Sue, but if I find it for $1 again, I'm probably going to pick it up. This is my first time ever giving this brand a try, but going based on comps, it seems to sell pretty well. I'm going to lot these next two items up together. I love to pick up this brand and this style from this brand especially. It's always sold super well and quickly for me. These are both Lands' End size large. So I'm gonna lot them together probably for around $40. They're just a pair of pull-on corduroy, very casual lounge pants. I'm gonna use all those keywords in title and description. So yeah, here's the blue pair corduroy pull-on pants. And here's a black pair, size large, same thing, corduroy. So I have sold these pull-on Lands' End pants in the past for about $20, sometimes a little bit more. So yeah, I'm gonna lot them together and hopefully for around $40. I usually can sell Lands' End pull-on pants within the month I list them, so hopeful that these will go quickly. I was really surprised to see that this was just $1. I'm gonna have to show y'all the purple tag because I'm kind of shocked that it was there for so long. It's a cashmere piece by Theory. size medium, 30% cashmere. It's just a really pretty blue sweater. It has some button details right here on the side. I did look it over. I didn't see any holes or anything. So yeah, excited to find Cashmere Theory for $1 at Goodwill. I thought this piece would be a great piece to add going into spring and summer. It's a size 10, Ralph Lauren. It's just a sleeveless V-neck floral dress. It kind of has like a faux wrap detail, kind of like ruching maybe here on the side. Really pretty, like a watercolor floral. I'm hoping for at least maybe $25 with this one. In one of my videos, one of y'all had commented and said that 7 jeans, specifically capris, sell really well for you. So I found these. These are a size 16, 7. I'll show you the inside tag. And these are called the skinnies. Yeah, skinny size 16. Just a pair of light wash, raw hem capris. So I'm not sure what I'm going to list these at. Hoping for 20 to 25. Usually on Dollar Day, if I think I can get at least 20, I'll try to pick it up. This is a brand I love to sell, but I've never tried this style. It's Lane Bryant 2224. And it's a swimsuit cover-up. Really pretty. In the past, I have had pretty good luck selling cover-ups. So hoping for at least maybe 20, 25 on this one. I have no experience selling them, but we're going to give it a shot. Here's another Lane Bryant piece. This is 1820. And they're just like a pair of white elastic waistband crochet shorts. Perfect for the season, for vacations. So probably close to $20 for these is what I'm hoping for. I find so much Columbia at my thrift stores, and I get a lot of it for $1 recently. Purple tag. This one is a size US 12. They're the Columbia Titanium Outdoors Olive Green. They probably hit you knee length. They seem kind of short to be a capri, but I'll just include measurements. But yeah, anytime I have these cargo pockets on the side of my pants, especially Columbia, they seem to do pretty well. So hoping for about 25 for these. I found vintage LL Bean, and this is a cool piece. Purple tag. I got this in the sleepwear section. Check this tag out. Has the paper tags underneath. So this says it's a size medium, and it's just a flannel pajama top. Not hoping for a lot, but I thought maybe I could get $20. LL Bean does sell really well for me, so I'm going to try to pick it up anytime I see it for $1. All right, we're not done with Lane Bryant. These are a size 16 Lane Bryant, and they're like these pinstripe pants, capri length. So I think these are great pants for a warmer weather season. So we're going to give those a shot. These last two things are things I'm going to lot together. I have absolutely no experience selling this. I'm pretty sure this is vintage, and I found, I want to say, 4 pieces in the same size and brand, but I only decided to pick up 2 of the pieces, mainly because the other ones weren't in good conditions. So let me know if you have any experience selling this. I did see a lot of 4 go for $60 or $70, so I'm hoping maybe a lot of 2 will go for $30, $35. We shall see. One of the pieces is new, and it's Levi's Bend Over. Have you guys ever heard of this? I'll try to show you the inside tag. Bend Over. So these are size 18 gray pants. These look, I mean, these were really kept up in great condition. You can tell these are in great condition here. And then I also got a pair of black ones. I'll show you the tag on these. Elastic band, black pinstripe, Pull-on pants also in great condition. So I'm gonna list those for around that $30 mark. I think having a new with tag item in the bundle or in the lot will definitely make for a quicker sale. So that's what I got at Goodwill Dollar Day this week. I never mentioned this on my videos, but if you've never purchased or sold anything on the Poshmark app, I do have a sign-up code. It's MURRAYEDLIFE. I'll link it all down below. And you actually get $10 off your first purchase, and I also get a $10 credit as well. So I just want to throw that out there in case you've been watching my videos but have never made a Poshmark account. You can use my code to get a $10 credit, and I greatly appreciate anyone who uses my code. Y'all make sure to go over and watch Tanya's video. Her video will be linked down below, and I will see y'all tomorrow for a funny video. Bye, y'all.